Hello students, in this video we are going to combine the previous two patterns that we discussed. That is, one was this, okay, this is one of the patterns and this one is the second pattern. So we are going to combine both and see how it works. Okay, so first we'll be using two nested loops. One for printing this one and the second one for printing this one. Okay, so first of all, let's see what's happening here for this one. So how many lines are there? 3 lines. 1, 2, 3, 3 lines. So the outer loop is going from 1 till 3. Okay, and how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3. So inner loop is also going from 1 till 3. What is the condition here? Condition here is we have to print 1 till 3, 2 till 3, 3 till 3. That means j should be greater or equal to I. J should be greater or equal to I. I have already explained this in the previous video. So if you are not able to understand why this is j is greater or equal to I, you need to watch that video. Okay, so j is greater or equal to I. This is the condition. So this will print this part, this pattern, and when that is done, we'll be printing this one. So this one has got 2 lines. So the outer loop goes from 1 till 2 and the columns will remain 3 only. So the inner loop goes from 1 till 3. Okay, now the condition here is what? See, here we need 2 till 3 and here we need 1 till 3. Okay, that means if I do 3 minus 1, I'll get 2 here, and if I do 3 minus 2, I'll get 1 here. Okay, so the required expression is 3 minus I. Okay, so j should be greater or equal to 3 minus I, and that is how this star, this pattern will get printed. So if you are unable to understand this condition, you need to watch the video where I explained this particular pattern, this one. Okay, thank you.